The topic of today's video is how to make 3D screen effects in Davinci Resolve. So what we're going to do here is play around with some keyframes. So here's our video, and it's just pretty much me scrolling down on this web page, and I like to make this effect subtle. So all we're going to do is make sure that we have clicked on our clip and it's open on the right hand inspector over here, and we're going to click on the pitch keyframe, and we're also going to click on the yaw keyframe. When we're done there, we're going to go to the end of our clip, and then you're just going to adjust the pitch keyframe or parameter to your liking, and then you'll do the same for the yaw. Again, you can come back and experiment with this if it's too subtle for you, but I think it's pretty good on my side. Let's get rid of the open blank spaces there and just zoom in on the clip. So now you're going to see it already has that effect going pretty well, but usually in these type of things there's a vignette. So we'll go to effects on the top left, and we'll go open effects and search, and then type in vignette and just drag it onto our clip. Now that there looks really good, but it's going to hide our 3D effect too much. So let's size it up. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see it because, like I said, I don't like to overdo this effect. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.